This episode uncovers thermochromic labels that change color with temperature, helping you store leftovers at safe cooling speeds. By pairing color cues with a simple 2-hour rule, households prevent bacterial growth and cut food waste. The science rests on phase change materials and heat transfer, which drive visible color shifts as temperatures cross thresholds. In practice, teams label containers, train family members, and set reminders to rotate batches using the color rule. Real-life results show crisper produce, safer meals, and calmer kitchens when science meets daily habit.